Greetings, everyone. I'm that common rare guy, and today's unboxing comes to you from the far off future. Today is an unboxing I'm sure everyone can enjoy because it's Doom Geats. That's right, I was able to get my hands on this because this thing is really hard to get, and unless you pre-ordered it, it was sold out everywhere online. And I found a store with it, so of course I had to grab it. Anyways, enough talking, let's go ahead and get right into it. Doom Geats. I gotta say, I love the box art. And I'll say right now, I love the suit for Doom Geats, and I think this should have been the final form. But, you know, it is what it is. Ooh, it's got little sparkles on it. So, unlike with Mark 9... Come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. While you can put it down, it's not necessarily needed. It's meant to more like just already be attached. Thank you for joining me for this Doom Geats unboxing. And in the comments below, let me know which double fox buckle is your favorite. Mark 9, Cross, or Doom Geats. I just want to see what the overall opinion of the three ones are. Personally, Cross Geats is my favorite just because I really dig the red and blue, or not red and blue, the blue and black. Anyways, I'll hope to see you guys next video. Don't forget the usual, like, comment, subscribe. More unboxings to come in the near future. Remember, it's always Henshin time.